Hi, today I'm making twice baked potatoes. This is a side dish that I use for several occasions, but it's a great way to be able to make a baked potato. Always tastes great. So I'm only going to be baking two potatoes here, and so once they're fully baked, I am going to take a eighth of a cup of cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese, as well as three green onions. Next, I'll take sour cream. It's about an eighth of a cup, or as much sour cream as you like, and a few tablespoons of butter. Again, it's to your taste. And I'm going to use those with the potato, the inside of the potato. As you can see, I've hulled out the softened potato, and I've added it to a bowl with a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper and about an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. I'm mixing all the ingredients together, and so I'm adding the sour cream, cheese, onions, and butter, and I'm just going to combine this all together until it's fully mixed. And once it's, completely combined, I'm going to add the sort of mixture back into the potato shell. And so I'm just going to scoop it back in until all of the sliced potatoes, which makes four sort of deviled potatoes, for lack of a better word, are all filled. And so once they are, filled, we're going to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything is melted and combined. And when it's done, it's ready to serve. It is best served hot and is a great accompaniment to many meals.